It's interesting, oftentimes when we speak with people on the private equity side of healthcare, particularly private healthcare or healthcare operations, they'll often say, we are an integrations business at the end of the day. We acquire, we integrate, we standardize, we repeat. It sounds like, from what you're saying, and you nodded, so I'm assuming that you agree there's a big part of your job which is probably around integration, but it also might be that, from what you're saying, a big part of your job is also then the transformation story and going almost step by step through the business, almost through every line of the P&L and saying, hold on, where is there an efficiency here? What can be automated? What can be made more centralized? Is that a team in the group? So inside of the fund, do you have a sort of, I'm sure there's an integration focus. Is there then a transformation focus, or is that done at the operating co level by the leadership there under your management? How does the efficiency start happening once you've made that decision to acquire or to invest? Who is then responsible for executing? Is it at the fund level? Is it at the operating company level? Where does that division of expertise lie?
It has to be both. Sorry, I always give
No, it's very
an
diplomatic.
inclusive answer. No, but it is true. The obviously, because if you look at our portfolio, you'll see we have quite disparate companies in disparate countries. It's impossible to have a kind of a one size fits all playbook at a lower level. At a high level, not, but at a low level, it is. So what we have is we have a series of groups which are effectively designed to challenge different companies to achieve on whatever that group is. So it's the HR group. It'll be about things like retention, et cetera, and the use again of digital automation in HR. If it's the RPA and AI group, it'll be about the use of all sorts of digital automation. And all the companies can attend, and we try to get them to attend. And indeed, we're often keener for that sort of group that the CEOs come, because in the end, they're the ones driving it. But the objective there is just to say, another portfolio company's done this and this. Why haven't you? It's just to challenge the thing. But in the end, the rubber hits the road at the portfolio company level, and it's a mindset which is that we want to be better than yesterday. We want to win. We want to have this dual bottom line of winning in an ethical, impactful, good for patients way, because we think that's the best way to properly win.